Welcome people, Freelance, Jamaica TV. Yeah man, today we should go up on the river, today we should go up on the river. But due to certain circumstances, we never really get to go. So, we are ordering ourselves. We are holding more nice adventure coming up tomorrow. Look out for your video. Yeah man, look out for your video from Freelance TV tomorrow. Yeah man, wanna look out for your video people. And honestly, yeah, man, want to support Freelance Jamaica TV, people. Want to know booking, come get the tour them. Yeah, man, want to know booking for the tour them. Yeah, man, get some good river hike, some nice activity. If you look a bit up on the thick side and you want to lose a little weight, yeah, man, you just can come check in with Freelance, my people. That is it, man. So, right now, man, I know how to feel about the vlog them I'm drop out there on the river. I'm go up on the river. Yeah, but I really like on the feedback, So, leave on the feedback in the comment section. Right there, so not sure. God is good all the time, man. God is good all the time, people. Yeah, man, there. Right now, down here cool. In the country, me there, peeps. Yeah, man, in the country, me there right now, down here cool. Well cool. Down here cool, man. Me I tell you, I say down here cool. Yeah, so tomorrow, we are go up on the river, I catch some spring water too. And them thing there. So I go up on the river tomorrow. Yeah, so don't look out for the vlog there, you don't know. We could take a dip. Even though the river water cold them time, the water they ever cold in there, so down to Christmas, so yeah, the water go cold. But people, remember, I support Freelance Jamaica TV. Yeah, new and improved TV. Yeah, man, so until we drop my next vlog, people, stay blessed. I love God. Yeah, man. And God are the greatest. Yeah, man. And blood of Jesus against all sickness, all curse. Yeah. So, people, thanks for tuning in. Freelance Jamaica TV. Yeah, man.